Let's head over to Portland now, where some residents are seeking Prime Minister Andrew Holness's intervention regarding the closure of the Blue Lagoon attraction. Now, scores of people gathered at the site earlier today to protest the suspension of activities. Now, as Sandy Williams reports, the facility was closed last year to accommodate renovations.
We come in the name of Queen Nanny of the Maroons. We come in the name of Queen Nanny of the Maroons.
It's the beginning of a battle with the government over the Blue Lagoon in Portland. Residents and environmental lobby groups are upset that after 8 months, the attraction remains closed. The beach property was closed to facilitate rehabilitation works and was expected to reopen after 2 months. But now the people are concerned that the facility could soon be privatized, as they are yet to receive any updates on the progress of ongoing works.
NEPA is in charge of protecting the environment, but they are in the Ministry of Job Creation and Economic Growth. So what do you think is going to happen? They're going to trample on the rights of the people for profit.
Access to the road leading to the property has also been restricted, which for the people constitutes a breach of their rights.
This is a parish council road.
Right.
They have no legal right to block it off.
Yes, you're right.
It's a free access to the beach since we can visit our own beach.
This is made up.
This is totally wrong.
The people marched to the property to demand answers, but were restricted by iron barriers and a team of police personnel. And this was enough to add fuel to their fire.
So the question we must ask ourselves, where do we stand in this nation when the police is being sent out against us on a peaceful protest just to swim? It is only to swim, and many of us can't swim. We're just going to dip in the water and walk on the sand.
My heart bleeds that my own people have guns. If I step across this barrier, no man shoot me in my head and kill me. Because the man them with the money and the power turn you against me. That hit me.
All people died in these waters. We deserve that. Not somebody with a strange phenotype and a strange name. It is ours. We will fight and die for this.
Calling on the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. This is in your court now. Remove these barriers.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.